Today, I will show you the unboxing of my order Sedum Acre or Goldmoss. I ordered this from Amazon. The supply came from California. I got the cuttings after 1 week. I was just hoping it is still alive, because it was left in our mailbox with our 100-degree Fahrenheit temperature. These are the free cuttings they sent with my order. This is my third order from the same supplier, so I already know they give me extra cuttings from different variety of succulents. And this is my ordered Sedum Acre or Goldmoss. There are more free cuttings underneath the bag of Goldmoss. Make sure to check your box before throwing, because sometimes it could be hidden underneath the paper. The first time I ordered, I almost threw the free cuttings. It also comes with a direction on how to take care of the succulent. This is a Sedum Acre or Goldmoss. It is a tiny, rhizomatous, tuberous-rooted, carpet-forming, and evergreen-colored succulent. It is typically grows to only 3 inches tall, but spreads in a moss-like fashion along the ground. It can spread to 24 inches or more to form an interesting and often impressive ground cover. It is native to Europe, Northern Africa and Western Asia. Goldmoss is a perennial flowering plant in the family Crassulaceae. The plant loves full sun, but can also tolerate partial shade locations. The soil should be dry to medium moisture, well-drained soils of moderate to low fertility. It will spread fast in the garden, but it can also tolerate light shade. The soil should be dry to medium moisture, well-drained soils of moderate to low fertility. It will spread fast in the garden. Goldmoss is useful in gardens in USDA zones 3 to 8. I live in Dallas, Texas. My zone is 8A. Zone 8A means the minimum average temperature is 10 degrees to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. It is important for you to know your USDA zone when choosing succulents. Sedum Acre or gold moss is well suited for use in hanging baskets and container gardens as a trailing accent, as borders and edging in the flower garden, or as a general ground cover plant. Since my soil is so dry, I sprayed with water. Anyway, the plant has been harvested for a while. The cut should already calloused. In my case, I haven't decided where to put the plant yet. But since it is 100°F in our place right now, I decided to plant in the pot first, so I can put the plant in the shade for a few days. Then transition to the heat of the sun once it has roots. Later on, if you wish to start a new plant, simply break off a stem and stick it into soil. The stem will quickly root. Water new plants for the first few months as they establish. Mature plants can tolerate drought conditions for brief periods. Sedum Acre is immune from rabbit and deer. Because rabbit and deer don't like the taste of Sedum Acre. Since I still have a lot of cuttings, I decided to plant into my vertical garden. Anyway, this section of my garden has an agri-fabric sunblock. For the free cuttings, I decided to plant into the pot, so I can move it around. I wanted to make sure it will not die. I hope you learned from this video. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.